Hey everyone, Siavash here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ClinicSync Pro to create patient outside Cliniko and push it directly into Cliniko. So, for example, a use case would be like you're using GHL, you have a pipeline, the leads are coming in, and when something happens to those leads and you move them from one stage of the pipeline to another stage, you want to basically create a patient in Cliniko and have it tracked or like get access or whatever from your admin inside the Clinico, and you don't want them to actually see them in GHL because they're only using Clinico. So this is kind of one of those use cases, and I'm gonna show you live how it's going to look like. So the workflow is going to be extremely simple. So this is the workflow, and it's going to be just a simple webhook, and it's just going to be a simple URL like that, the endpoint that we have. And we're gonna go and do a test. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go to contacts and I'm just gonna create a contact. So we're gonna go ahead, click on plus, and we're gonna name this GHL2, GHL2, and GHL2 at gmail.com. I'm gonna give it a phone number as well. Okay, I'm gonna tell them it's a lead. We're gonna give them time zone as well, and then we're gonna go ahead and save it. Let's add some other stuff in here as well. Let's add a date of birth. So let's put something in here. Let's add an address as well. City of Sydney, state, New South Wales, postcode. Let's save this. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to go and add them to that workflow. So the easiest way is to click on automation in here, click on add, and then search for that one, create a patient, and just click on add. I'm going to go inside the patient section in Cliniko and see if it's actually showing up in there. Let's refresh this. Okay, it seems like it hasn't been added to the automation yet. It's always fun to do live test. So let's have a look, see why it didn't add it to the create patient one. Let's go down in here, automation. It looks like it didn't get through, so create patient. Now it got added. Let's try again. Refresh. There we go. Came in. As you can see, it's complete. It's pretty much instant. And now let's go through this. So you can see the phone number came through, the address kind of came through, like the country. It is using the account timestamp because that's what we told it to use. And the email address is there, and also the first name and last name is there as well. So it's pretty simple, easy to do. Before this, the only way to do to create a patient was when you actually book an appointment for them in GHL, then we would actually create the appointment, create the patient, all of those kind of things. Now you can actually create the patient without having an appointment attached there. If you want to learn more, if you're not on CSP or ClinicSync Pro, we do have a 7-day trial, or you can just hop on our office hours if you want to kind of like suss it out before even coming into the trial. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.